Mr. Bailey, good evening from England. How are you?
Very, very well. I'm very excited about my return to the Netherlands on Thursday, 12th of September. I'm coming to De Meister in Geleen,
Yeah.
and I'm very, very excited about it. It's a lovely, intimate venue, and I really enjoy playing there. So it's something I look forward to very often.
Yeah, we're excited about it too. That's why we hope to have an interview with you. So first of all, it's an honor to speak to you. About 25 years ago, you were the lead singer for a band called Iron Maiden. How was that ride?
Well, it was a fantastic time in my life. I never thought that I would be selected to be the singer of one of the greatest heavy metal bands of all time. And it was a great honour, a lot of fun. I learnt so much about writing songs and about singing. It was a wonderful time in my life. And the lessons that I learnt with Iron Maiden, I've put into my solo work. I have 11 solo albums now since then, and I've toured with everyone. So I look back to my time with Iron Maiden with a great sense of pride, nostalgia, and I'm very fond of that time.
Yes, and now you have 11 solo albums already. What can you tell us
Yes,
about your
it's only
latest?
taken me 20 years.
And yeah, yeah, of course. And what can you tell us about your latest album?
It's a trilogy. It's 3 CDs that tell one story. It's a science fiction story about a man that does not know if he is a machine or human. And it is called the Infinite Entanglement Trilogy. The third part is called The Redemption of William Black. And we'll be playing a lot of songs from that CD at the show in De Meister.
All right, so you're gonna blow off the roof at the Meister, I guess.
I hope so. I hope they haven't reinforced the roof since the last time I was there.
All right, let's hope not. Two of our listeners can win 2 tickets for your venue for your show at the Meister. There's one question they have to answer, and that's how many times that you have been in the Meister or at the Meister, and we can give them one hint. Maybe you can give them one hint.
Um, I can't remember.
You can't remember.
No, I've been there loads.
All right.
So I'm hoping if they, I hope they will remember. But it's more than once.
It's more than once. That's a good hint. So yeah, well, an intimate venue. You're playing all over Europe after 12th of September, I guess.
Yes, we continue. We've done one part of the European tour earlier in the year, and this is part 2 of the Eagle Spirit tour, and we are very excited about it. And we get to Brno towards the end of this, and we record a live album
Wow.
of this set list. So every night we're really concentrating on trying to get the songs the best that we can, and we're very, very excited about it. On the 29th, 28th and 29th of September in Brno, in Czech Republic, in Melodka, we record this set list, and that will be part of a DVD that we bring out next year.
Wow, definitely looking forward to that one. Well, really, thank you very much for having an interview with us, and I hope you have a great evening the 12th.
Okay, well, I'm very excited about it, and there is a free meet and greet after the show. So if you have any of my old albums, and if you want the new album signed, if you want to get a photo with me, it's a free meet and greet that's included with every ticket.
Wow.
Just to say thank you to all of the fans in the Netherlands that have supported me so much over the years. A big thank you to everybody, and hopefully I'll get to meet you all on the 12th of September.
Wow, thank you very much. Have a nice evening.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers, bye-bye.
Good night, bye-bye.
Good night.
Bye.